Hi, my name is Joe Ager, and I'm here to share my personal leadership philosophy with you. And this is to clearly communicate and share the values that guide my decisions and actions as a leader. First, a little background on my perspective on leadership to start with. I think that we're always leading, no matter what setting we're in, whether it's professional or personal lives, that there's always people that we look up to without them knowing. So, we're the same to some other people, and that shouldn't surprise us. And I believe that leaders are individuals that actually see things done, whether it's by themselves or someone else. And a quote from one of my favorite books, Launching the Leadership Revolution, is below: "The world is full of great ideas and deep thinkers of grand theories. Implementation and results make the difference. Leaders help get things done." There are several core values that make up my personal leadership philosophy. First and foremost is honesty and integrity, and to me that is doing the right thing because it's the right thing to do, whether that benefits me directly or not. Sometimes it may cost me, but the right thing to do is the right thing to do. Serving others. I personally feel that I was created to serve and love those around me, and it will be first and foremost in everything that I do. Giving power, empowering others, giving them the tools they need to succeed and grow and develop makes my job as a leader much easier when I grow others' leadership abilities. Helping others fix problems and move forward. This is so much similar to that empowering, is like helping individuals gain the tools and knowledge they need to solve problems for themselves, instead of me just solving it easier for myself, but actually growing others as well. And along with that growth, I believe we should always be learning. If you're the smartest person in the room or the smartest person at your agency, you're at the wrong place. You need to surround yourself with others and always be learning. And finally, hope. We should always be hoping for more. There's something better in lives. The focus of everything I should do should be improving the lives of those around me. And again, another favorite quote: "Leaders conduct planned conflict against the status quo. We make things change," by Hiram Smith.